Start with Iris if you want clear indoor bins that stack neatly and keep everyday clutter visible. Then switch by problem: rough garage use, budget bulk, oversized or outdoor loads, and quick access clothing storage. You'll see which storage style fits before you buy. No bin fixes every mess. Pick by toughness, access, space, and upkeep. For most homes, I'd start with Iris WeatherPro Storage Boxes. Buy them if your storage is mostly indoors and you want to see what's inside without opening every bin. The clear sides make closets, linens, pantry overflow, and random household gear easier to sort, and the latched lids help stacks feel less sloppy. The catch is that these aren't abuse-proof. Hard hits can crack the body or knock latches loose, and the sealed design can trap that fresh plastic smell around fabrics. Skip them for rough garages, freezing spots, or bins that get dropped often. For rougher spaces, Rubbermaid Brute Totes are the garage workhorse. Buy them if you're storing tools, books, seasonal bins, or supplies where containers get dragged, stacked, and bumped. The tougher HDPE build is the point here. It feels better matched to basements, attics, and garages than a light indoor tote. The trade-off is convenience. The lid can fight you when the tote is empty, rain or leaks can collect in the grooves, and the sides are opaque. Skip it if you need one-handed access or hate labeling everything. If you need a lot of bins without turning it into a project, go Home Depot HDX Tough Storage Tote. This is the budget bulk move for garage sorting, workshop stuff, and big decluttering days where quantity matters. It's easy to buy in person, easy to standardize, and good enough for many household jobs. But it isn't the one-eyed baby into forever storage. The plastic is less forgiving than heavier-duty picks, big sizes can hog closet space, and cold can make cracking more likely. Skip it for tight indoor storage or hard drops. For oversized stuff, the Sterilite 40-gallon wheeled industrial tote is the practical answer. Buy it when the problem is awkward bulk, holiday decor, soft goods, longer items, or hauling storage across a garage, basement, or paved path. The wheels and folding handle matter because you're pulling the load instead of bear-hugging a giant box. The catch is size discipline. The 40-gallon footprint can overwhelm small homes, and it may be sold as a 2-pack when you only need one. Skip it for stairs, dense books, documents, or modest storage jobs. For sheds, porches, and semi-exposed gear, Rubbermaid 24-gallon Action Packer storage containers make more sense. Buy them if durability, comfortable carrying, secure latches, and a lockable setup matter more than squeezing every inch from a shelf. The tougher shape and runoff-friendly lid are why I'd use this for camp gear, outdoor supplies, or storage that lives near weather. The downside is bulk. It's thick, opaque, and not space-efficient indoors, plus it costs more than simpler totes. Skip it if your real problem is closet organization. For stuff you reach for constantly, Akro-Mils KeepBox attached lid container is the easy access pick. Buy it if you hate wrestling tight lids or losing lids in the closet abyss. The split attached top makes repeat use cleaner, especially for craft supplies, office overflow, pet gear, or kid stuff that moves in and out all week. But convenience costs you barrier strength. The lid isn't sealed, water can sneak in more easily, and a fall can pop it open unless you secure it. Skip it outdoors or anywhere damp. For clothes and linens, iWill Create Pro Storage Box with zipper lid is the softer route. Buy it for bedroom closets, underbed spaces, linen shelves, and seasonal clothing you want to grab without snapping off a plastic lid. The structured fabric sides make loading easier than floppy bags, and the zipper gives you a cleaner opening. The trade-off is visibility and strength. It's opaque, labels may not stick well, and it doesn't stack like a rigid bin. Skip it for heavy items, wet spaces, dirty gear, or pest-prone storage. Quick map. Most indoor storage, Iris WeatherPro. Garage durability, Rubbermaid Brute. Cheap bulk buying, Home Depot HDX. Oversized rolling loads, Sterilite 40-gallon. Outdoor gear, Rubbermaid 24-gallon action packer. Frequent access, Akro-Mils KeepBox. Clothes and linens, iWill Create Pro. Before you buy, measure the shelf, check the carry path, and decide if you need visibility or strength. Label anything opaque. Don't put fabric storage in damp spaces, and don't overfill lids until they bow. If you're unsure, start with Iris for clear indoor storage that stacks cleanly and keeps contents easy to see. Switch if you need garage strength, low-cost bulk, wheels, or outdoor durability, or easier access for clothes. Then add labels and measured shelf space so the setup doesn't drift back into clutter. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.